equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the motherboard of a Surface Pro 4. Today, we'll cover everything from the tools you'll need to the step-by-step process of disassembly and repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver for the screws on the device, a plastic spudger to help pry open the casing without damaging it, a suction cup to lift the screen safely, isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Now, let's begin the disassembly. Start by powering off your Surface Pro 4 completely. Once it's off, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the base. Be cautious here. If you feel resistance, use the spudger to carefully work around the edges. This step is crucial as it prevents any damage to the internal components. Next, you'll encounter several screws holding the motherboard in place. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, remove these screws and keep them in a safe place. It's a good idea to use a magnetic tray to avoid losing any screws during the process. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard out of the casing. At this point, inspect the motherboard for any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken connections. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice on the next steps. If you find any damaged components, you may need to replace them. For this, you'll need to desolder the faulty parts and solder in new ones. Ensure you have a soldering iron and soldering wire ready. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device repaired without any hassle. After replacing any damaged components, it's essential to clean the motherboard. Use isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will help ensure that your device functions optimally after the repair. Once the motherboard is clean and all repairs are made, it's time to reassemble your Surface Pro 4. Carefully place the motherboard back into the casing, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws to avoid any pressure on the components. Now, reattach the screen by gently pressing it back into place. Ensure that there are no gaps and that it fits snugly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to test the repair. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. If not, consider contacting us for further support. We are here to help you every step of the way, ensuring you have a smooth experience with your repairs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.